This bird dives faster than a Formula One car. Meet the Peregrine Falcon, nature's fastest killer. When hunting, the Peregrine Falcon goes into a stoop, a high-speed dive, reaching over 390 kilometers per hour, 242 miles per hour. That's faster than a skydiver, a cheetah, or even most airplanes during takeoff. It spots prey from more than 3 kilometers away, locks on, folds its wings, and hits with the force of a bullet. Its special nostrils help it breathe at high speeds, and its eyes are so sharp it could read a newspaper from across a football field. So what do you think? Is this bird nature's fighter jet, or the perfect assassin of the sky? Like and subscribe.